Well, before the surgery, I was having a lot of problems with my neck because I damaged my neck a few times. And the problems were just a lot of pain for about 15 years, 16 years.
Well, actually, I didn't know I had a neck problem. I probably had symptoms for a year, but neck just wasn't on my radar screen. I thought there was something wrong with my shoulder, something wrong with my hand.
Prior to the surgery that I had, which I don't remember now if it was 4 years ago or 3 years ago, I think it was 4 years ago, I was having a lot of numbness and some pain, and mostly in my right hand and fingers, and just I couldn't function. I had a lot of neck stiffness and neck pain.
I just dealt with it, which I shouldn't have done, and then finally, I heard it real bad in Los Angeles, and when I came back here, I just couldn't take it anymore. And then my wife, my wonderful wife, said, "You're going to go see Dr. Fabian," and I didn't know who Dr. Fabian was. I went and met Dr. Fabian, and I liked him right away, and we did a lot of x-rays and all that stuff, and he told me what he wanted to do.
Because I'd had this for so long and I didn't know, I was living in a smaller and smaller space in my body, turning in the car or riding on my bike, because if I moved too far, I'd get a lot of nerve pain.
After surgery, it was amazing. I think I spent a night in the hospital, I believe, and as soon as I started to come out of the post-op pain medication or whatever they had me on, I could feel right away that I had feeling in my hand, in my forearm again. It was like, wow. It was what Dr. Fabian had said, was that you should feel some pretty instant relief, and it was amazing.
It changed my whole life, the quality of my life. I didn't know how much pain I was in, and it affected everything.
Being active is just really, really important, and my husband and I love to ride all over Steamboat, and almost all of our vacations are biking vacations, and we bike with friends, and we travel places to bike, and so the thought of not being able to ride a bike was pretty devastating to me.
Back to work within just a few days. I think I stayed home for just a couple of days, and I was back at my desk for a day or two, and then I was back doing everything else I'd done within a short time. So yeah, it's been great, and of course I was able to resume the activities that I'd like to do within a short time too.
Dr. Fabian, in my opinion, is my hero, and he just did a lot for me, and he cared a lot.